Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind standing every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for that girl with the broken smile and ask her if she wants to stay a while. She will be loved, and she will be loved. Top on my